Welcome to Advanced WMS 200, warehouse management software within Sage 200. Let's look at dynamic stocktake, unique functionality from Datalinx that allows the business to continue to trade and the warehouse stay open during a stock count, reducing the time taken to complete a stocktake from 3 to 4 days to less than 1, enhancing the way Sage 200 performs. In this scenario, a distribution warehouse needs to perform a scheduled stocktake for multiple bin locations within business hours. The products are a mixture of goods that will need to be counted by a warehouse operative using a handheld device. Once counted, the results will be reviewed and then posted into Sage. In this video, we will generate a stocktake card using Advanced WMS 200 within Sage 200. The counting process will be completed by a warehouse operative using a handheld device, and we will validate the stocktake results back in Sage 200. So we'll access the dynamic stocktake within Sage 200 and create a new card. Once created, a stocktake card can be reused in the future. We'll select a location and we'll choose from a range of options to count by bin, product or product group. I'll choose bin. We can enter in a description. And we can display the bins in that location. They're automatically all ticked, so I can unselect all. I'm going to pick the two locations which are DM020 and DM030. I'll create the card by clicking Save, and I'll confirm creation. We'll now have a card 38, and the default status for the new card is locked. When unlocked, the card becomes visible via the handheld device to allow access by the warehouse operative for counting. This is a mirror of the handset you could use. The software is hardware agnostic, and Datalinx have a range of recommended Android and legacy devices for clients to review. So I'll log in with my user ID and password and select location. Advanced WMS 200 menus can be customized based upon relevant user roles or processes. We can access the dynamic stocktake card via stock control and dynamic stocktake. I'll scroll down the list and we can find our card 38, which I'll then select. This provides the two bin locations ready to be counted, and I'll pick DM020 to start. Within this location, we have the three products which are ready to be counted. So I'll scan in the first product. Once the user has reached the first bin, the snapshot of stock information is taken of the location. This means that each bin is only frozen for the time it is being counted, and once the user has scanned the bin and the quantity entered, the bin is then released. As this is a blind count, the user will not know how many products to expect in this location. The user will need to count how many are physically there. When ready, we can review the summary information and click Confirm. This has confirmed the count for the first product, so I'll move to the next product. Enter quantity and confirm. And then the final product. I can go back up to review the bin. And the bin can be marked as complete once the count has been taken. This indicates that the bin has been counted. If products cannot be found, the option to zero count a location is available. I can go back The user still has ownership of the card on the handheld device until they choose to close the card. This allows them to correct any errors made during the stock take or capture stock information if stock is found at a location that is not normally recorded. I'll select the card and select Close Card. The stock take card is removed from the list, and this returns ownership to the Sage user for further review. Back in Sage, we can select the stock take card. We can select Enter Values to review the counts, view batch details, check quantities, or arrange a recount if required. The variance will show the difference between the expected quantity and the physical count quantity. Audit provides a history of actions during the stock take. We can post the stock take back into Sage, and this updates the stock history and stock values along with the nominal ledger postings. Datalinx has its own nominal ledger category as a result of these adjustments. When the stock take is posted, the Post button changes to Show Errors. Anything that will cause an issue with the Sage data or create a negative allocation will not be posted to Sage. These errors will be captured and displayed so you can investigate them. In this scenario, we have looked at a dynamic stock take using Advanced WMS 200 within Sage 200. A warehouse operative has counted various products within the warehouse at various bin locations. The completed stock take was then reviewed and posted to Sage using Advanced WMS 200. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more content and to further explore Datalinx Advanced WMS 200.